Do you want to make money on YouTube? Do you know how to make videos? Do you know how to do voiceovers, or do you know how to talk in front of a camera? Do you know how to write articles? If you don't know all of these, you cannot start making a YouTube channel unless you pay for someone who knows how to do these things. What if I tell you that there's a free solution to your problem? Watch this video because I will teach you how to turn articles into videos for free. Hi, welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we talk about income opportunities such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security. All in all, let's talk about money. The hardest part of being a YouTuber is making your own videos. But you can help with this process using some excellent online tools. A free online article-to-video converter can be used to learn how to convert articles into videos. With the help of this step-by-step tutorial for 2022, you can turn articles into YouTube videos or any other kind of video and earn money on the platform. Are you excited? Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for an account in InVideo. The first step of the procedure is to create a free account on InVideo. Just go to InVideo.io. You will be taken to a page resembling this one and click Get Started to begin the free account creation process. You can quickly create stunning slideshow presentations that are essentially created for you using the free video software. Check out all the incredible templates they have for videos that are generated automatically. There are 3 price tiers for InVideo. You may begin using the free pricing tier without any issues. When your channel expands and you begin to make money, you can later upgrade to business or unlimited. Step 2. Search for an article. Think of a specific niche that you want your channel to be. If you don't know yet, we have a video featuring the best YouTube niches without showing your face. Just click on the description below. After thinking of a specific niche, search on Google for different articles or topics that you want to turn into a video. Grab the URL. First of all, let me say we are not stealing this content. You need to make changes if you intend to use this content exactly as is. You will only use this content for research, so don't worry. We are not stealing it in any way. Grab that URL and paste it to InVideo. The following action you should take is to select Auto to summarize. This is where the magic begins to happen when you select Auto to summarize. Using artificial intelligence, the video will use this article summary. You can select lines that you want to include in your video. After that, paraphrase it with this free tool, Quillbot.com. This will automatically rephrase the lines for you. Be sure to read and edit the contents to be correct and precise. What do you think about these points so far? Please share them in the comment section below. And hey, if you are still new to our channel and love our topics, please consider subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Also, give it a thumbs up as this will allow YouTube to show this video to more people. Thanks! And now let's continue. Step 3. Create a video. This counts as original content once you've rephrased every single one of these scenes. Now that you're ready, click the button to start making your video. We'll have the layout made by InVideo. This is similar to a PowerPoint presentation in that it has text, images, and the ability to edit all of it. A video that is entirely laid out and ready for download would be available. Now that the video is finished, you just need to check to see if the clips are accurate. You can edit the clips that you don't want and change them to a new ones. Don't worry, the slides are entirely editable. If you want to edit the text, you can also do that. Other texts are too long, so you have to edit that to transfer them to the next slide. It will take a few minutes to review the whole video and see if everything is accurate and pleasing. Some videos are only available in premium accounts. But don't worry, you can also select free footage that is available in a free account. Step 4. Add music. Including music is a great way to demonstrate your talent and excellence to the world. Therefore, be sure to include your best songs in the video. Make sure the music genre and the video's theme are compatible. You don't want a huge discrepancy because that will ruin the video's mood. Once your video has been added to the scene, go to the left side panel of your screen and select the Music tab. You can get free access to thousands of sound effects and audio tracks from InVideo. By searching by genre or mood, you can quickly find the best background music for your video and add your chosen track with just one click. On the royalty-free SFX library of InVideo, you can look for the ideal musical track. You can filter audio tracks in the built-in library of InVideo based on genre, mood, sound effects, and more. Select the Upload Music button next to the search bar to upload a music file from your computer if you want to upload a track of your own. Any music clip's image has a play button that you can click to hear the audio. Select the appropriate track to add the music to your video and click the plus button. And that's it! You now have a video ready to be uploaded on your YouTube channel. Try and explore InVideo for you to see its magic. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you want to make money on YouTube for free? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.